To start, I've cured 2 layers of Choc-Oh-La-La on my nail base, and I'm taking a larger dotting tool and creating 8 dots down the center of my nail stick using Lovee Dovee, which is our white polish. You want to make sure you're not putting it on too heavy because Lovee Dovee is kind of a runny polish and you don't want the dots to be all spreading together. Now I'm going to go in and put 2 dots on either side of my 2 dots as I go down. And this just makes cross designs. Because it is runny, like I said, I've decided to cure before I go to the next step. Now I'm going to continue those dots on either edge of my design, creating the crosses as well. Of course, you could use any colors you wanted for this design, but I wanted kind of a fall looking pattern. So I went with more fall colors. Now, if you aren't happy, you can always go in and add a little bit extra paint. I've cured it. Now I'm gonna go in with a smaller dotting tool and I'm gonna put pumpkin splash on and create those same crosses with a smaller dotting so it leaves a white edge around. I love these colors so much together for fall. I'm gonna cure that. Now I also wanted to show you how cool the design looks if you use the same color as your base coat. So this is not part of the design, I'm just showing you quickly how if you had applied the Choc-Oh-La-La, how pretty it is as well. I'm not gonna cure this, I'm gonna wipe it off as soon as I'm done. I just wanted you all to see how neat that pattern looks when you're using the white and the same color as your base. Isn't that pretty? Now I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe that all off. And because I still like the Choc-Oh-La-La, I decided to just go ahead and put a dot in the center using the brown just to give it a little bit more dimension. You can omit this if you don't want it on your design. It's just something extra I've decided to add in. Pop that under the lamp and cure it. Lastly, I'm just gonna add a layer of Clearly Frisky because I like a nice clear top coat on top of all my design. I will go ahead and cure this, and that's our final design. Thanks for watching.